You gotta take the other way.
What other way? I am, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Kaden is changing her pants right now.
Oh.
Better put them pants on. There's Tana. What's up? Oh. I'm sorry.
Sorry, that was fun.
Ew.
Oh my god, dude.
You gotta do what? Where's my phone?
Where's my phone?
Oh, my phone's right next to me.
Where's mine? You're a homo.
I know.
Hey, you take my phone. Okay. So, like, as I can see, okay, what? I took a blonde test. And I have 38 out of 39 blonde moments.
That's a lot.
Oh, look, a bunny!
That's a monkey.
Isn't that cool, though? I mean, like, okay, seriously, look at this thing.
You can't do that.
It's a monkey. Ain't it cool? Okay, so, I set a ringtone thing for Mark, and it's his favorite song, but I have it for all calls, and I have womanizers for, like, just text messaging. And Shelby's gonna explain to us what those ones are. Ready, set. Okay, you gotta listen.
Speaker's that right here.
Hello?
You didn't answer it.
What?
Oh my god, you did. Hello. Oh.
Duh.
Look at what you can do.
Listen. Look, isn't that cool? Look at the color. Okay, now she's gonna text me. Listen careful.
Wait, hold on. I'm not the speediest texter ever. If you haven't noticed.
At least it didn't take you 5 minutes like Kendra. Oh my god, that girl's so annoying. You're mean! Look, there's a bunny!
Where?
Right there.
What's the feeling? I'm tired. I can tell. Kane is tired. We were too busy up last night doing
God knows what.
Oh. Ooh. That worked.
I'm sorry. God, you mother frickin' Pima. Did you say? Okay, listen.
Call me a Pima.
Pain in my ass. That's what a Pima is. But I know just what you are. Wanna try, but I know just what you are. Oh my god. Someone tell this girl to quit text messaging. She is the most annoying thing. And she's wearing my sunglasses. Because she's a dork. And, so anyway. We gotta go.